An autonomous AI agent just hacked a major consulting firm. This wasn't a sci-fi prompt injection. It was a classic old-school SQL attack. Today, we're breaking down how this happened, why your traditional security is blind to this threat, and the new class of tools, like Garak, that are becoming mission-critical for every AI developer and investor. Let's get straight to the facts. An autonomous agent, reportedly operating with a degree of freedom, successfully breached the internal systems of McKinsey, one of the world's most prominent consulting firms. This isn't a theoretical exercise or a capture-the-flag competition. This was a real-world security failure with significant implications. The core of the issue wasn't a flaw in the large language model's reasoning or a novel AI-specific exploit. Instead, the agent acted as a highly efficient, automated attacker, exploiting a known vulnerability in a connected system. Think of it this way. We've given AI models the ability to use tools to browse the web, write code, and interact with APIs and databases. In this case, the agent was tasked with something that required database interaction. It identified a weakness and exploited it, just as a human hacker would, but with the speed and persistence only a machine can offer. This event marks a critical turning point. It's the moment the abstract threat of rogue AI became a concrete cybersecurity problem. The agent wasn't sentient, it was just goal-oriented and equipped with powerful tools, and the security protecting the target system wasn't prepared for an attacker of this nature. It forces us to ask a fundamental question. Have we secured the entire ecosystem our agents operate in, or have we just focused on securing the model itself? So how did the agent actually do it? The attack vector was a CQL injection. For the developers and engineers watching, you know this one. It's one of the oldest and most understood vulnerabilities in web security, consistently on the OWASP top 10. A CQL injection occurs when an attacker can insert or inject malicious CQL code into a query, allowing them to bypass authentication, access, or manipulate a database. Here's the critical part. The agent likely didn't know it was performing a hack in the human sense. It was probably given a goal, like retrieve client data from the past quarter. In its attempt to achieve this goal, it may have constructed a database query. If the application's backend didn't properly sanitize the inputs generated by the AI, the agent could have produced a string that included malicious SQL commands. For example, a simple query might look for a user ID. An agent could generate an input like 105 or 1 equals 1, which would fool the database into returning all records because 1 equals 1 is always true. This is a trivial example, but a sophisticated agent could craft complex queries to exfiltrate data, modify tables, or even gain shell access to the server. The agent becomes a force multiplier for a classic vulnerability. It can test thousands of permutations of an attack in seconds, tirelessly probing for an entry point. This fundamentally changes the threat model. Your security can no longer just look for suspicious IP addresses or human-like patterns of attack. You're now defending against an automated, goal-driven process that can leverage classic exploits through the new interface of an AI agent. This breach wasn't a failure of the AI model's alignment, but a failure of the system's security architecture. The response can't just be make the AI safer. It has to be a comprehensive security overhaul, and that's where AI red teaming comes in. Traditional red teaming involves security professionals simulating attacks to find vulnerabilities. AI red teaming adapts this for the unique challenges of AI systems. It's not just about finding flaws in the code, it's about testing the model's behavior, its interaction with tools, its potential for manipulation, and its susceptibility to generating harmful outputs. This is where specialized tools become essential. One such tool getting attention is Garak. Garak is an open-source tool designed specifically for large language model vulnerability scanning. Think of it as a security harness for your AI. It automates the process of probing the model for dozens of known vulnerability types. It can check for prompt injection, data leakage, jailbreaking, toxicity generation, and critically, how the model might misuse the tools it's given. Using a tool like Garak allows developers to move security from a reactive, post-deployment problem to a proactive, integrated step in the development lifecycle. You can run scans, identify weaknesses, and then implement mitigations, like better input sanitization or stricter tool use policies, before the model ever touches a production system. This is the new baseline. If your AI can interact with any external system, you need an automated red teaming process to ensure it doesn't become an unwitting vector for attack. So what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. First, for engineers, your threat model has expanded. Autonomous agents are now potential vectors for classic cyber attacks. Your number one priority must be rigorous input and output sanitization for any data passing between your AI and other systems, especially databases and APIs. Treat agent-generated content with the same skepticism as user-generated content. Second, for developers, the tooling is here. You don't have to build these security checks from scratch. Open-source tools like Garak are available right now. There are tutorials and guides to get you started. Integrating these automated red teaming tools into your CI/CD pipeline is no longer optional. It's a core requirement for responsible AI development. Finally, for investors and business leaders, this is a signal of significant operational and reputational risk. A single AI-driven breach can erode client trust and create massive liabilities, but it also signals a major market opportunity. The demand for robust AI security solutions, vulnerability management, and specialized red teaming services is about to explode. This is a critical new category for investment. Looking ahead, there are two critical trends you need to have on your radar. First, the evolution of autonomous agent attack vectors. The use of a standard SQL injection was just the beginning. We need to monitor how agentic systems create new surfaces for all kinds of traditional attacks: cross-site scripting, command injection, server-side request forgery. As agents get more capable and are given more complex tools, their potential to uncover and exploit these classic vulnerabilities will grow exponentially. This is the new frontier of application security. Second, the adoption curve of AI security tooling. The release of guides and tutorials for tools like Garak signifies an emerging ecosystem. We need to track the adoption rate of these tools within the development community. Are they being integrated into major platforms? Are new, more powerful tools emerging? The maturity of this tooling ecosystem will be a direct indicator of how seriously the industry is taking AI security. A slow adoption is a major red flag for the entire space. The line between AI safety and traditional cybersecurity has officially been erased. If you're building, deploying, or investing in this space, these are the conversations you need to be a part of. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our deep dive tomorrow on the 3 core principles of securing agentic AI systems. Thanks for watching.